Accessing your benefits is about to get easier with the help of this card. It can be used for cash benefits and SNAP, formerly known as food stamps. Your Pennsylvania Access EBT card opens the door for you to buy the many things you need for you and your family at thousands of locations using your SNAP and cash benefits. It's easy to use, safe, and convenient. Plus, the EBT card makes it simple to manage your benefits all in one place that only you can access. Let me show you how the EBT card works and why it will work so well for you. It's easy to get started. When you receive your EBT card in the mail, call the toll-free customer service number on the back of your card to choose your secret 4-digit PIN. Your PIN is your personal identification number. You won't be able to use your EBT card without it. A PIN identifies you as the EBT card holder and stops anyone else from using your card. Those 4 digits protect you so you can use your card safely and securely. To create your PIN, just follow the prompts. Pick a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for someone else to guess, and make sure you don't share it with anyone. Don't write your PIN number on your EBT card, card sleeve, or anywhere else that someone can easily find it or see it. You'll need your PIN to use your EBT card. If you forget your PIN or want to change it, just call the customer service number on your card and follow the prompts. Customer service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Treat your EBT card and secret PIN number just like cash. Be sure to keep your card in a safe place and never let anyone else use it. Now you're ready to go shopping. You can use your Access EBT card at any grocery, convenience store, or even farmer's market that has the Quest sign or accepts the Access EBT card. The card is not accepted at casinos, liquor stores, and other adult establishments. If you don't see the Quest sign, just ask a store manager if the store accepts your Access EBT card. The EBT card is as easy to use as a bank debit card. With the EBT card, you can use your SNAP benefits to buy only food and non-alcoholic beverages. Keep in mind you can purchase only food items with your SNAP benefits, so the cashier may separate your food from your non-food items before totaling. Additional information regarding eligible food items is available on the USDA website. If you receive cash benefits, you can use them to purchase non-grocery items, and it's all on one card. When you check out and get your total, you or the cashier will swipe your EBT card. Enter your secret PIN number. If a machine is not available, you'll sign a SNAP voucher for your purchase. Check your receipt to be sure the total is correct. If you are only making a SNAP purchase, you will not receive change or cash back. Your receipt will also show your SNAP or cash balance, so be sure to keep it in a safe place. You can also check your balance by visiting our website at www.ebt.acs-inc.com or by calling the customer service number located on the back of your card and following the prompts. If you have benefits remaining at the end of the month, they will carry over to the next month. You can also check your payment dates by accessing your My Compass account. If you are eligible for cash benefits, you can withdraw 2 convenient ways: from a store at the cash register or through an ATM. Just look for the Quest symbol while you are paying for your groceries, or ask the store if they accept the EBT card for cash withdrawals. Depending on the store's policy, you can withdraw any amount up to your eligible balance. If you are making a purchase, most grocery stores do not charge any fees or cash benefit withdrawals. You can also access cash benefits or check your balance at thousands of ATMs. You have 4 free ATM transactions a month, but you'll be charged 50 cents per transaction after that. Keep in mind, some banks charge a fee for any ATM use. Look for a warning on the ATM screen. If you don't want to pay the surcharge, simply cancel the transaction and visit another ATM. The ATM may ask if you would like to withdraw from your checking or savings account. Always select checking. If you don't have enough benefits in your cash account, the ATM will deny your transaction. If the ATM doesn't dispense your money or makes an error, just contact customer service by calling the number on the back of your card. Take care of your EBT card like any credit or debit card. Don't bend or scratch it, and keep it dry and out of the sun. Keep it away from magnets, computers, and other electronic equipment. Always treat your card like cash. Keep your PIN a secret, and keep your receipts in a safe place. You are responsible for your card and your benefits. If someone else uses your benefits, they cannot be replaced. If you need more information or have questions about your card, check the brochure you'll receive with your card or visit our website at www.ebt.acs-inc.com. The website is user-friendly and available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to provide a way to check your transactions and balance information, change your PIN, or access general EBT information. In the event your card is lost or stolen, customer service is always ready to help you. Your benefits are easy to access, all with one card. Let the Pennsylvania Access EBT card start opening doors for you.